Imagine transforming your car's electronics effortlessly with highly customizable wire harnesses. Curious? Let's reveal the magic behind Star's low MOQ solutions. Our harnesses aren't just diverse, they're designed for versatility across various environments. Perfect for small orders, they stand the test of challenging conditions. From Toyota to hybrid designs, our product range adapts to every need. Different ports, varied designs. Think of the possibilities with Star's tailored options. Meet the Deutsch DT harness, robust and ready to overcome stress tests. Designed with meticulous care, these components provide reliable connections. Star ensures quality by inspecting every piece. So, whether it's GPS setups or other devices, you are always assured of durability and performance.